Hello, we're going to run through in about 2 minutes how to install hms-mirror from the Cloudera Labs GitHub organizational account under the hms-mirror repository. So once you're in GitHub, Cloudera Labs hms-mirror, we're going to scroll to the bottom and find the tech preview docs for version 2. We're going to open up that link in a new tab and we're going to go to the setup here and we'll see the directions here for setup and how to do the install. And we're going to walk through that manually. Let's go ahead and open up the link to the GitHub, back to the GitHub release area where we can see the assets for the latest releases of hms-mirror. I'm going to go ahead and grab the latest beta release of hms-mirror. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to go over to my terminal window that I have on an Edge node. I'm going to run this install from the temp directory because once the packages are installed, we don't necessarily need them, so it's okay. The first thing I want to do is do a wget on bringing down that file I just copied the link for, and I've downloaded that file, and I want to basically go through and get rid of any previous release install directories. So I had just installed this before doing a little practice run. I'm going to remove that. The reason for that is that we're going to do a untarball the hms-mirror release that we just brought down. If we don't remove the directory that was there before, we are not necessarily going to replace that directory. So let's go ahead and do an untarball. Next thing we want to do is, as the root user, we want to run this setup sh program that's in that directory. We run it as a root user to make sure that we install it so it's available to everybody and everything falls into path. So let's go ahead and do that. It's very simple, and it's set it up as a root user, and it's installed the global links. Now we're ready to go ahead and run hms-mirror. From here, we're going to run hms-mirror's web UI, so we can simply put in hms-mirror service to start the application. You can see that the application is started. I'm going to give it a second or two while it basically boots up in the background, and we're going to go back to our web browser, open up a new window, and see if we can run or launch that application. And there you go. hms-mirror web UI has been installed.